How to start recording on Insta360 X5 using app. So first of all, on your Insta360 X5 device, scroll down to your control panel and then tap on the gear icon. Once you come to settings, go to Wi-Fi settings. Make sure that the toggle for Wi-Fi has been turned on. Now, on your mobile device, scroll down to your control panel and make sure that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on. Then on your Wi-Fi, long press on it and then you'll see the name of your Insta360 X5 device. Just tap on it in order to connect it to your phone. Once the device has been connected, open Insta360 application. Now, once you come to the app, just open Camera. Now, once the camera has been opened, you can simply choose Photo option or Video option. In order to start recording, just tap on this red button on your application. Once you do so, the video will start recording. Just tap on this circle button again to stop recording. And then you can tap on the album option. And with that, you can see that you will be able to record a video or take a photo easily from the application itself. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.